everybody, welcome to today's lesson. Sorry for making this video very long because if it sounds like I have a sore throat, because it's like go at a sore throat, been really sick, but I have to cover this content for you guys, so that make sure you are prepared. Alright, so if you hear me coughing or sneezing, please excuse. Okay, or if you hear any sniffling noises, please excuse. Alright. Yes, I've been away from the internet for very long, so this is the first time that I'm actually doing this lesson actually in May. In April I didn't do much lessons because in April I also went for an overseas trip, so yeah. Okay, but we'll get on to the stuff first. So I'd like to, those of you who are new, okay, welcome you guys to SEAB 4G3. We are now at term 3. Alright, this is the E-Math syllabus. So let me share a few facts about myself and my teaching experience as well. Alright, today I'm at home, I'm not at the tuition center, so I'm unable to do a real lesson, alright, for physical one. So let me just give you a self-intro of myself. This is how I've shown my students over the years. Alright, so hello everybody, my name is JC. Alright, I'm currently a tutor with 5 years teaching experience, specializing in O-level, E-Math and N-level English. So if you're taking E-Math O-level, good news, you will be with me all the way to the end. Alright, degree, diploma in engineering, degree in business study, all these you don't need to know. Alright, dislikes, I don't like to be recognized in public, and I hate people who take safety for granted. Safety number 1, as shown on the bottom right. Okay, so enough of me yapping about myself. So, I shouldn't actually say that. We will actually be going on to cover what is today's content. Okay, so today's content is a bit also a little bit dry, okay, but also not very dry. Sorry, this was my previous class, okay, because before this I also had a SEAB 4 class. They are doing vectors, because they've already reached their SEAB 5 year, but you are SEAB 4E, so those are for 4 and 2. Okay, so there's a bit of mishap. Right, so the only content I'm going through today is our this. Okay, we are going to start on a 35 or rather 40 days, right, of prelim revision package. So this is day 1 over 40. Alright, it's day 1 over 40, and we'll just be doing papers all the way until the end. Alright, this will cover topics for SEAB 3 and SEAB 4. If you don't remember the SEAB 3, SEAB 4 topics, do not worry, I'm here to guide you. Alright? Okay, so let's get on with the lesson. So let me delete this. Okay. So I will need to share this one over here. Okay, this is a paper I've adapted from Naval Base. Alright. This is the actual O-level paper that you see. It's maths is 2 hours and 15 minutes long. My advice to you guys, do not rush through the paper. You have plenty of time. Alright? Don't rush through the paper. You have plenty of time. Alright? Okay, so let's get on to the content for today. Why school? Okay, good. So this is the formula sheet you'll be given. So don't worry if the formula looks very alien. Okay, good. Okay. The first question is very simple. Alright. You are supposed to calculate the following function. Now, to calculate the following function, as you can see, how many marks is this? This is only 1 mark. Right? So what you do? Key everything into your calculator slowly. Okay? Like what I'm doing right now. Okay? So for this one, the answer for this, they put 3.5814 all the way, right? Okay,
Okay,
if you
if you
are
are
still a
still
bit
a bit
blur,
blur,
remember
remember
all
all
answers
answers
must be
must be
three
three
significant figure.
significant figure.
Okay,
Okay,
to
to
3SM.
3SM.
Okay,
Okay,
ready?
ready?
Nice.
Nice.
Okay,
Okay,
the
the
next
next
question
question
over here.
over here.
Okay, we
Okay,
have a
we have
little
a
bit
little
of
bit
an
of an
indices
indices uh
question
question
over
over
here.
here.
Okay,
Okay.
now for
Now
this
for
type
this
of
type of
indices
indices
question, right,
question, right,
you will
you
need
will
to
need to
actually
actually
make the
make the
base
base
the
the
same.
same.
Okay,
Okay,
you
you
need to
need to
make the
make the
base
base
the
the
same.
same.
And I
And I
repeat
repeat
that
that
again,
again,
making the
making
base
the
the
base the
same.
same.
Alright,
Alright,
this is
this is
your
your
indices
indices
log.
log.
Sorry,
Sorry,
let
let
me
me
visualize something.
revise.
Okay,
Okay,
so the
so the
first
first
step
step
over
over
here.
here.
Let me pause
Pause
for a
for
bit.
a bit.
I'm
I'm
sorry for
sorry
the
for the
delay
delay
because
because
people
people
can give
will
for
give
me
for
for
me for
somewhat
somewhat
reason.
reason.
Okay,
Okay,
the
the
first step
first
that
step
you will
that
need
you will
to
need
do,
to do,
okay,
okay,
is to
is to
multiply
multiply
your
your
coefficients
coefficients
together. So
together.
this
So
will be
this will be
12,
12.
alright, and
Alright,
then
and
you
then you
combine your
combine your
variables.
variables.
Alright,
Alright,
so
so
no
no
like
like
bases
bases,
no like
no like
bases will
bases will
combine.
combine.
This will
So it'll
be
be
12x
12x
squared
squared
y to the
y to
power
the
of
power
5.
of 5.
12x
12x
squared
squared
y
y
power of
power
5.
of 5.
Okay,
Okay,
now the
now
next
the
one,
next one,
this one,
this one,
another
another
very
very
popular
popular
question.
question.
Okay,
Okay,
this is
this
your
is the
expand, so
expand, so
just
just
expand it
expand
out.
it out.
6x
6x
minus
minus
3
3
minus
minus
5.
5.
This is
This is
6x
6x
minus
minus
8.
8.
Okay,
Okay,
then you
then
may
you may
ask
ask,
me, sure,
sure,
why
why
minus
minus
8
8
and
and
not
not
3
3
minus
minus
5?
5?
Okay,
Okay,
3
3
minus
minus
5,
5.
yes,
Yes,
3
3
minus 5
minus
is
5 is
negative 2.
negative 2.
But if it's
But if it's
negative 2,
negative 2,
you
you
plus,
plus.
right? And
Right?
this is
And
the
this is the
wrong way of
wrong way
doing
of
it.
doing it.
You look
You
at
look
this
at
as
this
a
as a
simple
simple
function.
function.
Okay, look
Okay,
at
look
this
at
as a
this as a
singular
singular
function.
function.
So it's
So it's
6x
6x
minus 8.
minus 8.
Okay,
Okay,
next,
next,
you will
you will
need
need
to
to
factorize
factorize
these.
these.
You need to
You need to
factorize
factorize
probability
probability
of
of
this
this
um,
um,
given
given
equation.
equation.
Everybody
Everybody
looking
will
for
be
me.
wrong.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
the
the
first
first
thing you
thing
need
you
to
need to
do
do
is
is
you will
you will
need to
need to
make.
make.
Okay, it
Okay,
says
it says
factorize, there's
factorize,
just
there's
2
just 2
marks, right?
marks, right?
Means you
Means you
cannot key
cannot
into
key
a
into a
calculator like
calculator like
your
your
method
method
that
that you're
you're seeing
seeing
over
over
here.
here.
So the first
So the
one you
first
need
one
to
you
do
need to
is
do is
you need to
you need to
factor out
factor
common
out
factor.
common factor.
Common factor
Common
here is
factor here is
x.
x.
So when
So
you
when you
factor out
factor out
common
common
factor,
factor,
you'll get
you get
x,
x,
then you
and you
just
just
2x
2x
squared
square
minus
minus
13x
13x
plus
plus
6, right?
6, right?
Okay,
Okay.
once you have
Once you have
factor out,
factor out,
you will need
you
to
will
use
need to use
trial and
trial and
error,
error.
or if
Or
not, you
if not,
can
you
do
can do
cross
cross
multiplication.
multiplication.
So you need
So you
two
need two
numbers that
numbers that
multiply
multiply
2
2
times
times
6 to
6
be
to be
12,
12,
which add
which
up
add
to
up to
minus
minus
30,
30,
which the
which the
pair will
pair
be
will be
minus 12
minus
and
12 and
minus 1.
minus 1.
How do
How
you
do you
get that?
get that?
Let me
Let me
explain
explain
over here.
over here.
So it's just
So it's just
2x
2x
squared,
square
12x
12x
minus
minus
x
x
plus
plus
6.
6.
Okay,
Okay,
then you
then
will
you will
ask me,
ask me,
why is
why
it
is it
minus 12
minus
minus
12
x?
minus x?
Because you need
Because
to
you
get
need to get
minus
minus
30.
30.
But I
But
can
I can
factor out
factor out
minus
minus
12 as
12
well.
as well.
So it will
So it will
be
be
2x
2x
squared
square
12x
12x
minus
minus
x
x
of
of
minus 6.
minus
So
6.
I
So I
did
did
factor out
factor out
this, I
this, I
also
also
did
did
factor out
factor out
this.
this.
Alright,
Alright?
Once you're
Once
done
you're
with
done with
that,
that,
you
you
factor
factor
out
out
each
each
group.
group.
It will
It
be
will be
2x,
2x,
x
x
minus
minus
6,
6,
minus
minus
1,
1,
x
x
minus
minus
6,
6,
which will
which will
give
give
you,
you,
those who
those
take
who
A
take A
math,
math,
okay, those
okay,
who
those
take
who take
O-level A
O-level A
math,
math,
you will
you
know
will know
that
that
this
this
one
one
is, you
is,
can
you
use
can use
binomial
binomial
theorem and
theorem
do
to
it.
do it.
Alright,
Alright,
if
if
not,
not,
if you
if
don't
you
want
don't
to
want
do
to do
this,
this,
you can
you can
just
just
take
take
x
x
2x
2x
minus
minus
1.
1.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay,
Okay?
because I
Because I
factor
factor
out
out um
from here.
from here.
From
From
here,
here,
you
you
can
can
jump
jump
straight to
straight
here.
to
No
here. No
problem, no
problem, no
issue.
issue.
What I'm
What
doing
I'm doing
here
here
is I'm
is
trying
I'm
to
trying to
explain to
explain
you
to
what
you
is
what is
going on.
going on.
Okay,
Okay?
so
So
this will
this
be
will
my
be my
final
final
answer. X,
x
2x
2x
minus
minus
1,
1,
x
x
minus
minus
6.
6.
Okay, if you
Okay,
have
if you
any
have any
questions, you all
question,
can
you can
type
type
into the
into the
comment
comment
section. I
section. I
will
will
see it
see it
myself.
myself.
Okay,
Okay?
can?
Can?
Alright,
Alright,
sorry,
sorry,
loud.
loud.
Chair
Chair
noise
noise is
very
very
loud.
loud.
Okay,
Okay.
anyway, the
Anyway,
next one
next
is
one is
the
the
sine
sine
of
of
an
an
angle
angle
is
is
0.6.
0.6.
Find
Find
the
the
two
two
possible
possible
values
values
for the
for the
angle.
angle.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Now
this,
this,
my
my
friends,
friends,
the
the
moment you
moment you
see
see
sine,
sine,
you will
you will
know that
know that
it
it
is,
is.
okay, the
Okay, the
moment you
moment
see
you see
sine,
sine,
you know
you know
that
that
this is
this is
trigo,
trigo,
right?
right?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
So
So
once you
once
see
you see
trigo,
trigo,
you will
you will
automatically
automatically
write
write
sine
sine
theta
theta
is
is
0.6. I
0.6.
think
I
you all
think you all
remember this
remember this
formula, right?
formula, right?
So
So
you want
you
to
want to
find
find
two
two
possible,
possible,
two
two
possible,
possible,
sorry,
sorry,
two
two
possible
possible
values.
values.
So
So
those who
those
take
who take
A
A
math,
math,
A
A
math,
math,
okay,
okay,
and if
and
you
if you
remember your
remember
A
your
math
A math
topic,
topic,
you
you
should
should
have
have
remembered
remembered
what
what
is your
is your
ASTC. I
ASTC.
think those
I
who take
think
A
those who
math
take
will
A
have a
math will
slight
have a slight
advantage in
advantage
this.
in this.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
those who
those
take
who
A
take A
math,
math,
you
you
know
know
that this
that
is
this is
ASTC.
ASTC.
Then you
Then
go
you
on and
go on
compare
and
your
compare your
quadrants, right?
quadrants, right?
So
So
this
this
one
one
I
I
will
will
do
do
both
both
ways.
ways.
Okay,
Okay.
firstly I
Firstly,
will
I
do
will
the
do the
theta
theta
method,
method,
which will
which will
give
give
me
me
36.87
36.87
degree.
degree.
Now
Now,
because it says
because if you
find two
find two
possible
possible
value, you
value,
need to
you need
take
to take
180
180
minus
minus
36.87
36.87
because it
because
needs
it
to
needs to
be a
be a
straight
straight
line,
line.
right? It
Right?
needs
It
to be a
needs to be a
straight
straight
line,
line,
143.13.
143.13.
So
So,
for
for
degree,
degree,
you
you
must put
must put
one
one
decimal
decimal
place.
place.
One
One
decimal
decimal
place.
place.
So it's
So it's 141.3,
141.3, 36.9.
36.9.
Okay,
Okay,
those who
those
take
who
A
take A
math, I
math,
think
I
you
think you
remember this.
remember this.
Sine
Sine
theta
theta
is
is
this. This
this.
is for
This
the
for
A
the A
math
math
people.
people.
Okay,
Okay,
sine
sine
theta
theta
is
is
this.
this.
Don't read.
Don't read.
Okay.
Okay.
Those of
Those
you
of
who
you
are
who are
wondering whether
wondering
I'm
whether
going
I'm
to
gonna
finish this
finish
paper or
this
not,
paper or not
it's
is,
actually
I
very
think, very
impossible.
impossible.
Because
Because
I only
I
have
only
like
have like
about
about
another like
another like
22
22
minutes.
minutes.
So
So
I
I
can't
can't
finish the
finish the
actual
actual
paper. That's
paper.
why I
That's why
broke
I
it
broke
down
it
into
down into
40
40
days
days
of
of
revision.
revision.
So
So
we'll do
we'll do
this
this
on
on
like
like
4 days, for
4 days, for
example.
example.
Then
Then
subsequent
subsequent
papers will be
papers will be
4 days,
4
4
days,
days,
4
4
days,
days,
4
4
days,
days,
4
and then
days, and
all
then
the way
all the
until
way until
today.
today.
Okay,
Okay,
which means
which
I'll
means
be
I'll be
filming on
filming on
uh, days of the
days of
week,
the
a
week,
lot of
a
days
lot of
of the
days of
week.
the week.
Alright,
Alright,
notification.
notification.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
for those
for
who
those
take
who
A
take A
math,
math,
sorry
sorry
about
about
that.
that.
Alright,
Alright,
you
you
actually need
actually
to
need to
use
use
alpha. I
alpha.
think you
I
all
think you all
remember
remember
alpha.
alpha.
Alpha is
Alpha
your
is your
basic
basic
angle.
angle.
Okay,
Okay,
those
those
who
who
those who
those who
remember,
remember.
okay,
Okay,
alpha
alpha
is your
is your
basic
basic
angle.
angle.
So just
So
like
just
that,
like that,
you get
you
same
get same
answer,
answer,
right?
right?
Now those
Now
who take
those who
A
take A
math,
math,
good for
good for
you.
you.
I think you
I
all
think you all
remember
remember
ASTC.
ASTC.
Sine is
Sine is
first
first
and
and
second.
second.
So one
So
here,
one
one
here,
here.
one here.
58.9.
58.9.
38.9.
38.9.
Okay,
Okay.
and the first
The
one is
first one
like
is like
this.
this.
The
The
second one
second one
is from
is
here
from here
all the
all the
way to
way
here.
to here.
Okay, which
Okay,
is
which is
180
180
minus
minus
38.9.
38.9.
This one
This one
also can.
also can.
You use
Use
ASPC,
ASPC,
I
I
would
will
accept.
accept.
Okay, for
Okay,
those who
for
take
those who
E
take
math,
A
of
math,
course,
of
you have
course,
a
you have
slight
a slight
advantage.
advantage.
E math,
E-math,
people
people
won't know
won't know
whether you
whether
use
you use
E math or
E-math
A
or
math or
A-math or
not.
not.
Okay, so
Yes,
you
so you
can
can
just
just
anyhow whack.
anyhow whack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next
Okay,
one.
next one.
This is your
This
set
is your
4
set 4
topic.
topic.
Okay,
Okay,
it
it
says here,
says here,
a
a
class of
class of
12
12
boys
boys
and
and
8
8
girls
girls
took a
took a
test.
test.
The
The
girls
girls
marks
marks
were
were
3,
3,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
9,
9,
10,
10,
and
and
10.
10.
Find
Find
the
the
mean
mean
mark
mark
for the
for the
girls.
girls.
Okay, this
Okay,
is the
this is
basic.
the basic.
Now,
Now,
if you
if you
remember your
remember your
calculator
calculator
method,
method,
right, that
right,
your
that your
school has
school has
probably
probably
teach
teach
you,
you
or
or
taught
the
you,
taught you,
okay,
okay,
you
you
go
go
to
to
menu, you
menu,
press
you press
3, you
3, you
press 1.
press 1.
Then you
Then you
key in your
key in your
values, right?
values, right?
3,
3,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
9,
9,
10,
10.
10. Okay?
Okay,
Then you
then you
press
press
OPTN, you
OPTN, you
press
press
3,
3,
you'll get
you
your
get your
mean,
mean,
which is
which is
7.75.
7.75.
Okay?
Okay,
Those who
those
want
who
to
want
use
to
this
use this
method,
method,
okay,
okay,
it should
it
probably
should
take up most
probably
of
take
your
up most of
time
your time.
if you do
If you do
mean
mean
equal
equal
submission
submission
fx
fx
over
over
summation f.
submission f.
Yeah, all
Yeah,
these.
all these.
Um,
Um,
this one I
this one
advise
I
you
advise
please
you
don't do.
please don't do.
Okay,
Okay,
because
because
it will take up a
it will
lot of
take up a
time. You
lot of
only
time.
have
You
2
only
hours
have 2
15
hours
minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay, great.
Next one.
Next one.
Here,
Here.
yeah.
Yeah.
It says
It
here,
says
the
the
mean mark for the
mean mark
boys
for
was
the boys was
8.0.
8.0.
Find the
Find
mean
the
mark
mean mark
for the
for the
whole
whole
class.
class.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the
This is
mean
the
mark
mean
for the
mark for
girls,
the
right?
girls, right?
This is the mean
This is
mark
the
for
mean
the
mark
guys,
for the
right?
guys, right?
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, the
Okay,
reason
the
why it's
reason why
2
it's
mark
2
is
mark
because
because
they're very
they're very
generous.
generous now.
Actually, if
Actually,
you
if
were
you were
me,
me,
I will
I will
only have
only
put
have
this
put this
question 1
question
mark.
1 mark.
Yeah,
Yeah,
1 mark
1 mark
because,
because
sorry, yeah,
sorry, yeah.
1 mark
1 mark
is
is
because
because
you have
you
the
have the
mean
mean
mark for
mark
the
for the
girl,
girl,
you have the
you have
mean
the
mark
mean
for the
mark for the
boy, you
boy.
just
You
add the
just
whole
add the
thing,
whole
then you get
thing,
the whole
you get the whole
class.
class.
Okay,
Okay.
next.
Next.
Okay,
Okay,
6A,
6A,
6B
6B
will be
will be
covering
covering
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Not
Not
tomorrow, the
tomorrow. The
next
next
time.
time,
What I
what
want
I
to
want to
focus on
focus on
today is all
today
the
is all the
matrix,
matrix,
it's
it's
all
all the
the algebra
algebra
and the
and the
statistic and
statistic and
the
the
matrices.
matrices.
Okay,
Okay,
the rest
the
of
rest
it,
of it,
don't
don't
worry, I
worry,
will
I will
do it
do it
on day
on
two.
day two.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so it
Okay, so
says
it
here,
says here,
given the 81
given the
2x,
81
this
2x,
is
this is
okay,
okay,
indices. I think
indices.
you
I
all
think you all
remember how
remember
to
how
do.
to do.
Okay,
Okay,
indices. How
indices.
you do?
How you do?
Make
Make
common
common.
base. Make common base. Alright. You remember what I mean by make common base? Okay, make common base is, for example, for 81, it is 3 power 4 and then 2x, right? Times 3 square x, 3 to the power of 3, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, so you have this. Now you apply this. If you have a base like that, what do you do? Okay, hold on for a bit. Error. Let me see if I can share this. Okay, can. Good. So you should be seeing this screen now. Okay. Those who never see the screen, please check your laptop because I think for all us the laptop will work. Alright. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, back to question 7. I think question, as I said, the one on the previous page, then I did show, and the previous page is like that. Okay, now we're over here. Okay, as I said, make common base the same. So once you have this common base, you apply this rule. This one is a n m. Okay, which is where this one a n m is equal to a n times m. Okay, or the other way around. Yeah, or the other way around. Right. So this will be 8x times 2x. Okay, now from here you can do this by comparing power. Oh no, cannot compare power yet. Yeah, cannot. You cannot compare power yet. You actually need to plus the power together because a n times a m is a n plus m. I'm using this general statement here. Why is the a so big? Yeah, so this one a m times a n. So this one, this is your law one. Yeah. Okay, so it's 3, then you add these together, so it's 10x. Okay, then by comparing power, then x is 3, x is 3 over 10. Okay, so there's nothing simple. Oh, sorry, there's nothing too difficult for this. Alright, can. Alright, let's go on to the next one, which is not this one. Where is the okay? This is a statistics question. Yes. So these are kind of questions you will see in your exam. Okay, maybe just now that one not really in your exam, but this one it really is in your exam. Right, this came out last year for the naval base set students. Okay. Now it says here the table below shows the amount of time spent playing online game by a group of children in one particular week. Okay, the first part is asking you calculate an estimate of the mean time spent playing online games that week. Now, calculate an estimate of the mean time spent playing online games that week. So, what I need to do is you need to find the median of the hours. How do you find the median of the hours? 2 plus 0 divided by 2. So it will be 2 plus 0 divided by 2, which is 1. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that. Okay, once you have it, the reason why it's 1 mark is because they want you to key into your calculator. So same thing, clear your memory first, then after calculator 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Once you have those 4, 9, 15, remember to change the frequency, yeah, 13, 7, and 2. OPTN option 2. So for the mean it will be 5.64. Don't need to round because it is exact. Okay, it is also stated here, explain why this is only an estimate of the mean time these children play online games that week. Okay, it is because the range of values given is conflicting. Okay, this is how I explain, because it's conflicting and because there might be a lot of misinformation, right? And Okay, next one. Calculate an estimate of the standard deviation of the time spent playing online games that week. Now this one, no choice because it is 2 marks, you need to show your working. Okay, you're working for SD. SD equals to the square root. Okay, so it'll be 1 times 4 squared plus 3 times 9 squared. Okay, so basically just write everything out. 7 times. Okay. Okay, you can see it's getting longer now. All over the total. So you need to calculate the total. Alright. So let me clear my frequency. Okay, please hold on for a bit. Suddenly cleared my suddenly cleared my stuff too much. So I'm going to type everything again to find out the number. How to find a number? Press one arrow down. Okay, this will be your number. You see n equal 50 means to say that your number is, that's it, like that. Alright. Okay, minus, this is still square root minus the mean square, which will give you, I think you can see this symbol like that. This is our delta x. Okay, so delta x will be 2.51, yeah, 23 exact, because this one is not exact. Okay, can? Alright, next. Okay, back to the basics. Okay, back to the basics, we go here first. Okay, that one promise we will do tomorrow. The next time I see you. Alright. The first thing we can factor out is 5y x minus 4, and I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. It's just like that. That's it. Alright. Next one. Use set notation to describe the shaded region. Okay. Set notation. You need to say they want you to write like this, I guess. No. Set notation. They just say anything, right? So you just. Okay, this one is very simple. That's it. Okay. Actually, if you want to be very specific, right, it's actually A union B complement. That means anything that's outside the B. Yeah, B complement. Okay, Venn diagram said the region. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, so don't overlook the questions, yeah, because these questions can be easy. Alright, next. Okay, this probability. I think I want to do all the matrix. Is there a matrix question? Cannot be. There must be at least one matrix question. So yeah, going all the way to the matrix question. No matrix question. That's crazy. Yeah, let me just go. Yes, here, matrix question. Very nice. Okay. The reason why I like to go through matrix questions is because matrix question is very easy. Alright. Okay. 9 minutes, but I'm gonna end in like 6 minutes. Alright. Okay, it's said here. A British school offers beginner, intermediate, and advanced baking classes on weekdays and weekends in August this year. The matrix B shows the number of participants attending the baking class in August. So, part A, The fees for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced booking classes are $30, $40, and $50 respectively. Represent the classmate in a 3x1 matrix F. So this is very easy, just like this. Just like this. Alright, and that's it. Can? Alright, nice. Now, the next one is calculate B times F. This is where your multiplication of matrix comes in. So it will be 22, 8, 20, 10, 9, 11, okay. So this is how you do it. Alright. For those who I have taught matrix, you all can refer to my videos, but those who have not, alright, I'm going to show you a simple way of how you do matrix. Row by column. Okay, row by column, then you add them up. So it will be 22 plus 20 plus like that. Okay, next one will be in red. It should be row column. Okay, 8, 30, 10, 40, 11, 50. Okay, now the trouble thing is you need to key every single thing carefully into your calculator. So it's like that. Okay, the answer is 1910 for the first one. 830 plus 1040 plus 1190. So it'll be 1910 1190. Okay, so this is what beginner, intermediate, advanced. This is the price, right, of beginner, intermediate, advanced. So this is cancel, so it's just sorry, this is a weekday, weekend. Price of weekday, weekend. So state what the animals of C represent. This is easy. It just says it represents the total price of the classes during weekdays and weekends respectively. Okay, for explaining questions, I need you all to write this word respectively. Okay, this is 1 mark. So if you don't, you'll lose this 1 mark. Alright. Okay. I'll stop here for today. Okay, I'll stop here for today. So thank you very much for watching. Now before I go, I have an important announcement to make, which is so So let me stop my share first. Let me share this thing over here. Yeah. So this is my plan for the next 5 days. Alright, of these are prelim revision online thing. So this is how it's going to work. On day 2, when I see you again, we'll do naval base part 2 paper. Then on day 3, we'll go on to a new paper, which will be next week. Okay, next week will be these two, and then this one will be following week. Okay, for the following week, on day 5 when I see you, it will be on this paper. Okay, this is my plan for the next 4 days, which is on day 2 over 4 days we will do naval base paper. Day 3, day 4 will be on Greenwich paper, Greenwich set paper, and then on day 5 we will be doing the Hawaii paper. Okay, yeah, so I would just like to emphasize this. You have to find everything. Okay, it's over here. Right, if you have any question, email me, or you can type in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing if you are new, and check out my other content as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.